everyone, it is brendanryanvandenberg here. Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna keep the audio in the yellow just because last time I was a little bit quiet. Surprisingly, I was super loud at first, and when I lowered the volume, I was very quiet. So this right here is gonna be our third tutorial, and I'm still working on the first one, or the first one. So yeah, this has got kind of some behind the scenes stuff. You know, making a meme for Daco. And then that's something that I can't tell you about. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Canva, right? And it's free, 100% free. I'm gonna show you something that we can use when something rather doesn't work. If you see here, like, actually you get to see here, you see I still use this picture of Chuck E. Cheese in this video, but I decided to just use one of the automatic thumbnails for that one video. Now sometimes that's better than the thumbnail I come up with, but I'm going to show you some basic thumbnails which I like to make, and I used to make really cringe thumbnails, and now I don't. So what you want to do is you want to create a free account on Canva, and it'll bring you to the home, and then you know, you go for here and it should say I can create your channel art, you can create your YouTube thumbnail. If not, just go YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. You can also get this on mobile. I do plenty of edits on mobile, and there are some templates, but I think I'm just gonna be making one all myself. So let's see here. We're gonna want a background, and sometimes sorry, I don't know if that makes the microphone weird. Just like turn to the side of my microphone thing that like blocks the audio. I think we're gonna use simple gray just because it's kind of like a tech review, right, and whatnot. So I think that kind of cool. And then we're gonna do, ooh, wow, oh, look at this, so many new text. Ooh, that's cool. But I think we're just gonna use this, and we're gonna, I think for this thumbnail, you kind of get an idea of just how to use this as I'm working. We're gonna go, what are they calling this? They're calling this, add to a YouTube streamer. Okay. And we can you know, we can add text, right? You can add that from one of these. I you know, use the heading and whatnot. And I think we're actually gonna okay, I don't want that to be too small, but I also don't want it to be like crazy huge. I think that's a kind of decent spot for it. Let's try this actually. That could look alright. I can see that looking alright. And then I think we're gonna, you know, we can go to photos, or we can go to elements, and we're just gonna look up YouTube. We'll see if they have the Twitch logo. I know they have at least the YouTube logo. So we're gonna have the YouTube logo in one corner, and we might have the Twitch logo above it. I'm not sure. Or we might have it on the opposite side. Does it have the Twitch logo? It has a lot of logos on it. It does have Twitch. Alright. It does have a free Twitch. We could use the free Twitch, or we could always take a picture offline. And then another trick is to left click, save images. Which I don't think I've always took pictures offline. I haven't really had a reason to. Okay, so you kind of see how this YouTube logo kind of doesn't work right there. Oh, what we're gonna do is we can actually edit this, right? Or we can edit the gray. I want to make it a lighter gray. So boom, just like that. I forgot you can do that. If it's something like this, you can like do each of the colors or whatnot. So I'm going to pause the video right here. Basically, right now I'm just working on the thumbnail itself, and After that, we're gonna get to the tools. Just a quick update. I was saying it's like ridiculous hours in the morning. Update, no sleep last night, but there's usually one night a week when I don't get any sleep. Alright, I just wanted to keep stalling that way I could kind of get this video moving on a little bit faster, and I think I should be able to have it close to the right scale. Alright, let's get back to the video. Sometimes you want to keep it basic, and I will actually real quickly go through some of my designs. Let's see. Really cringe. I don't know, man. You've just seen a lot of my stuff. I don't know how I feel about this. How to make a meme for choir. Old doggos and catos. I don't even know what I've made. Hopefully nothing bad. I doubt it though. But I had a really good thumbnail, and I think so some examples of a good thumbnail. I thought this was pretty good, you know, kind of clustered, but you can see, you know, you have one thing in one corner, you have one thing in another, and you have one thing in another. That was for a canceled game. Man, there's a lot of stuff you're getting to see. I might actually bring it back, I don't know. Oh, that never worked. Man, we're gonna have to do some streaming soon. On YouTube, of course. I don't do Twitch, but yes, I think we might do some Twitch. Anyways, let's go back to here. So you know, those are some ideas of thumbnails for other things. But this is mostly gonna be familiar with it, and then you kind of just do your own thing. But you want to make sure it really captures the idea of it. I know this, I kind of think looks a little bit formal and a little bit basic. So I think this would be like, okay, this guy has a pretty good thumbnail. I think I'm gonna watch his video. You know, stuff like that. Alright, so I have some more stalling to do. So I was watching this video on my phone, and there's like people who are trying to make remake Minecraft. Or remake real life, basically, in the entirety of Earth, in Minecraft. They have the terrain, they just don't have in the roads. They don't just have, what am I trying to say? They don't have, the like, structures and whatnot. So they're having, and some of the, things that the world didn't spawn in. So they're having people, remake these Minecraft places in real life. And I saw somebody doing Springfield. So, guys, let me know if you want me to do some, like, builds of Springfield, Missouri. Or, I guess I could do, like, some other places outside of Springfield. Guys, just let me know. I'm gonna keep talking for the next 5, 4, 3, 2. So, let's just real quick go over some of the stuff you can do, right? So, we know the templates, right? And you know, you have the different themes. You can have this. You can use any of these of your thumbnail, or you can change it up. Whatever's fine, I guess. Then you have your uploads, everything you've uploaded. You can even do videos and like animated GIF stuff for social media, but that's not what we're gonna need for YouTube. You have photos, non-copyright as well. You have elements, and then you have like recently used, and you have featured, and then you have frames, stickers, charts, COVID, and you have all this stuff really. And then like shapes, and then like really anything like you can think about searching, you can probably find for free as well. And then you have text, and you can have as many of these saved as you wanted to the cloud without having to pay a single cent, which is really nice. But I kind of feel a little bad. And then you have, you know, you have some backgrounds and whatnot, so that's all nice. Or you have videos, and then, oh, excuse me, then you have backgrounds. But then you have folders, which I don't know why we have folders. And then we have more. Oh, that is true. You can have like stuff imported. Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah, music. Wow, man. I'll use this. So then all you'll do is you'll, you know, we're gonna call this, we're gonna call this U Which usually I'm really good about saving my folders to the right place, but not today, because I'm gonna have to move everything from my one desktop to the other, and I don't have a mouse for that one. I don't really want to unplug my gaming mouse and put on that one and put it back on this one, so I'm gonna get another mouse. I know I'm gonna need a mouse in my that room anyway, so that mouse. Until I get that done, then I'm not gonna be able to move all the stuff I have on that computer to this computer. Okay, so we're gonna have YouTuber guide, right? YouTube, we're gonna call it YouTuber guide underscore and then recording, I guess. Right, I'm doing episode 3, but yes, I'm making the thumbnail for episode 1, and this is like the process I go through every time to make a thumbnail. Now this might actually be easier because I might just change the text here and change the text there, but maybe not. Maybe I'll change this to like whatever editor I use or something like that. You know, have the Wii Video logo down here for the next step, for the next episode, and then have Canva logo, which you can, yeah, believe it or not, you know, Elements. Canva, you know, look them up, you know, because you're gonna find, oh man, yeah, look at this branding, look at this, yes, look at this branding, man, isn't it just great? Oh man, official Brandon. So actually, now that I think about this, let's show you how you will do your thumbnails. So what you want to do is you want to download them, right? And then this, you probably best downloading is the PNG, and then you should be all good to go. You can't have a transparent background, but you know, honestly, who wants to upgrade? And then, yeah, just ignore my very bad spelling. Let's go to youtube.com, and then let's go to, man, so many recommendations. Kind of cool, I guess, Legos and whatever not. And then we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. Some of them, those are cringe. Some of them, mine are better, but some of them are not. Oh, guys, you guys are amazing. Oh, I super appreciate it. And then we're gonna go to videos, right? And then we're gonna go to you know, one of your videos, right? And when you go to create, upload, you want to oh, let's see, you'll be able to, even while it's uploading the video, you'll be able to already set the thumbnail, but if not, you know, it looks the same for the most part. You'll find it'll look like this while it's uploading, and there will be a thumbnail, and it'll say custom thumbnail, and then you can go, you know, this would be change, but it should say you know, upload thumbnail, right? And then you would just go to here, downloads, that has not downloaded, so disappointing, and then you would go to like here, right, and it, you know, it would say select, and it would actually, open it to, it would actually upload it, but this is a different video, and, oh, it looks like, was it a pretty good video? I guess it was. And yeah, then that's how you set the thumbnail. Oh man, oh, I am so distracted. Let's see, how long has this video been? 21 minutes just making a thumbnail. Trust me, it's usually not that long. Which I'll probably just have the part of me actually making it sped up. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe, and that money would be basically going back to you guys. I want to make content that you want to see, which I still want to make this content right here, like showing you guys how to do YouTube, but as far as my other content goes, I have a Bendy playthrough made, so if you want to see that, I, of course, already played for Bendy, so it's like, meh, and I feel like I need to commentate more, I need to be more enthusiastic, which, you guys tell me how I should act, on camera. Wow. And I will follow, because I want this channel to, because right now we are pretty much a small community, and like not only likes and dislikes will tell me what, but you personally saying what you like about it, what you don't, really helps out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys next video. Bye.